done plenty of videos about camellias before, but I don't think we've ever done one while they were actually blooming, and man, are they blooming this year. Like any other plant, we've seen azaleas go through this, crepe myrtles, lilac chase trees. The last couple of years have just been incredible for blooming plants, and these camellias are no different. You can see how much this thing is blooming. It's just so profuse, it's beautiful. And down below, all the petals have fallen, and it just looks like pink snow. It's just the most beautiful thing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and tell you what kind of camellia this is, because I really don't know. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of varieties of camellias that grow from very short and dwarf all the way up to tree size like this one is here. It's a small tree size. This takes a very long time to get to the size. I would imagine this plant is probably like 20 or 30 years old, so it does take some time. But there's always a camellia that will work for your space. They work in shade, they work in sun, they work in a lot of different conditions. So if there's ever been a time that you need to be convinced that camellia is a plant for you, take a look at this and maybe you'll be convinced this time to put one in your own yard.